हे गाइस, मैं हूं डॉक्टर रिदीमा शेट्टी AKA योर फ्रेंडली नेबरहुड OBGYN और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट 10 थिंग्स दैट women आर कॉमनली embarrassed अबाउट बट दे shouldn't be. Let's get started. Point number 1, body hair. Women tend to feel embarrassed about visible hair on their upper lip, on their chin, on their hands and legs, but you should know that this is a biological process. जब एक लड़की प्यूबर्टी अटेन करती है उसके मेल एंड फीमेल हार्मोन्स दोनों भी बढ़ जाते हैं. मेल हार्मोन्स के वजह से बॉडी हेयर इंक्रीज हो जाता है एंड दैट इज अ कम्प्लीटली फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस. अगर आपको आपका बॉडी हेयर निकालना है ये आपका पर्सनल चॉइस है, बट ये याद रखो दैट यू डोंट नीड टू फील प्रेशर टू रिमूव इट जस्ट बिकॉज एवरीबडी एल्स इज डूइंग सो. You should do what you're comfortable with. Point number 2, having darker skin in some parts of the area, right, like your groin, your inner thighs and your armpits. Let me tell you, ये भी एक hormonal process है और hyperpigmentation हो जाता है in certain areas because of the hormonal effect after puberty. और ये completely normal है, आपको इसको bleach करने की या lighten करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Point number 3, vaginal scent. A lot of advertisements show that you need to wear scented pads, or they even have products which will be fragrant so that your groin area and your vagina and vulva are smelling good. But ये normal नहीं है. आपके body से हमेशा एक musky scent आता रहेगा, especially from your vagina, and as long as उससे बदबू नहीं आ रही है but एक टिपिकल बॉडीली स्मेल है, वो कम्प्लीटली फिजियोलॉजिकल है और उसको आपको चेंज करने की या उससे एम्बैरस होने की जरूरत नहीं. पॉइंट नंबर 4, नाउ दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग. क्या आपने नोटिस किया है कि आफ्टर 3 to 4 months ऑफ वेयरिंग एन अंडरवेयर उसके जो आपका एग्जैक्ट सेंट्रल एरिया है ऑफ द अंडरवेयर वो स्टेन हो जाता है. अगर वो व्हाइट कलर का है तो वो ब्राउनिश हो जाता है और अगर वो डार्क कलर का है तो वो ऑलमोस्ट व्हाइट हो जाता है. This is also completely normal. Do you know why this happens? It's because there is a certain pH level of your vagina and your vaginal discharge जो बहुत ही acidic होता है. वो एसिड इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि वो गार्मेंट्स के पिगमेंट को ब्लीच कर देता है. तो डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर हैविंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डर्टी डिस्चार्ज जो आपके पैंटी को स्टेन कर रहा है. पॉइंट नंबर 5, निपल हेयर. There are a lot of women who come to my clinic concerned that they are having thick hair growth around their nipples, especially which grows more, especially when they are coming closer to their periods. This is again a hormonal effect. You can tweeze it out if you want, or you can just let it be and own it. 6th point, stretch marks. So in women, especially in women, although it happens to all genders, during puberty because of the extra weight gain around their hips and in their breast area, they tend to have stretch marks in their buttocks, on their thighs and on their breasts. Let me tell you, everybody has this. If you want, you can go to a dermat to try and lighten them, but actually you don't need to do anything because it's a very common thing and it's a very normal thing. Apart from the stretch marks that occur during pregnancy and after the delivery are also completely normal. You can try and use some creams that your doctor prescribes to lighten them, but they will still, a small hint of it will always be there and there's nothing to be ashamed of. Point number 7, Women come to me with the complaint कि उनको जब भी उनके पीरियड्स के टाइम है तभी उनको लूज मोशंस होता है और लगता है कि उनका टमी अपसेट क्यों हो रहा है. ये प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन का इफेक्ट है जो एक हार्मोन है. आपके पीरियड्स के टाइम पे वो इफेक्ट ज्यादा नजर आता है और इसके वजह से आपके जनरल जो बॉडी के मसल्स है वो थोड़े ज्यादा रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग योर the muscles in your intestines and your bowels, which cause you to have a little more of an active bowel movement. Don't need to worry about it, that is fine. Point number 8, having breasts which are of 2 different sizes or shapes. This is completely fine. In fact, there is no woman who will have both her breasts which are looking exactly the same and symmetrical unless you've paid for a surgeon to do it. So don't worry about it, just do it. Point number 9, women are embarrassed about their period products. You do not need to wrap them in a newspaper or carry them in a black bag whenever you're getting it from the medical store. You can openly carry it because everybody has periods and it's nothing to be embarrassed about. Just own it. And you can even discuss what period products you're using with your friends and your female colleagues, so that you get a better idea, and you never know, you might change to something new which you find you're more comfortable with. Point number 10, desiring sex. So women are often taught not to be vocal about their sexual needs, but you should know that it is nothing to be ashamed about. All human beings desire sex, whether male, female, or of any gender, and it is something that is related to your hormones. And especially when you're ovulating, around that time you might notice that your sexual desire is increasing. Let me tell you, it is completely fine, nothing to be embarrassed about, and it can be communicated with your partner. That's all for today, guys. Bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.